Hello fellows, today I'm going to show you how to repack your bearings. First of all, I will mention you what happened, or tell you. I've done a video on it, on repacking the bearings. My phone or computer ate it. It's away, you can't find it anymore. So I will do it on the worn bearings because it's very important, and I think that you have to see this. As you can see, my bearing, this bearing is totally shot. It's full of pitting. Here you can see all this pitting here. It's really bad, it's crap. Okay. Now you can see this here. So you will take your bearing. Here's your bearing. Take gloves, it's very messy. Now take some grease. Wait, I don't like this tube that much. Use high-temp disc brake grease that's made for this, like this here. It's a disc brakes wheel bearings on it. Hopefully you can see it. I will put it on my hand on. Yes, I know it's a waste of grease, but I have to show it to you. And you take it like this and smear it in until it comes out from here, the upper side here. Just do it until you see it squirting out from the upper side. Here you can see it coming out from the wheel bearing. Can you see? Here it came out. It filled up.